Beautiful.
Oh Lord, look
colorful.
at that. Oh, curry goat on the river. Yeah, that is it, that is it, that is it. Alright. So we have to go through to make it cross. Hey! Hey!
The camera's TV, the bad TV, you see? Like and subscribe. Go the beach, don't
Oh, it's the vibes.
It's fabulous, it's fabulous.
Alright.
It's like me, you know.
Alright, that's cool. Yes. Out and about. That is it. Yeah, that is it.
She mix dance up with calypso.
For the menu.
Bombard.
Bombard.
Italian food and some roast bread.
Bombard. Where they are. And so far I'm coming from and I'm heading up that side.
Them say, matter where them try, them afraid of me. At the king.
Where's that now?
Any other king or Burger King.
Cameras capture the experience.
So the whole team here, they are trying to find somewhere to go. Where you say? So see everybody here, we have to go walk come down here so, and then walk come across to go over there so. There is, come on. There is Bruce Lee. So we have to go through to make it cross. But we're there still in a Burrell River, you know? Beating the motion of water from the come up there, you know? That's where the water. Where's some feeling of this there? Where metal some feeling of this there? Where there?
No views that come on.
But where there? Yes, motion, you said the fire up and running.
Yeah.
Cool, man. King, what do they call him? River Chef?
River Chef.
Pink boss lady.
Man, you know?
Wagwan, everything balanced?
Yeah.
How is the vibes?
It's fabulous, you know. It's fabulous like me, you know.
Alright, that's cool, man. That is it. Check out the browning. See how there? Hey, give them a mug, give them a treat. Hey. Aye. That is it. And so over there, yeah man, from the river. You see, it's a nice vibe. Check out the rest of the crew. Go on, I wanna say active.
Yeah.
Alright, the young man. Alright, it's vlog day. Hey, yeah, which is right. That is it. You tell us what we are going to do here now, my friend. What we are going to do? Eh?
We're going to get the fire.
Yeah, so what we are cook today? What is on the menu?
We are cook some oxtail.
Bombard.
Lobster.
Bombard.
Italian food and some roast bread.
Bombard. That's cool, no, Papa? Yo.
Yeah.
You see it
We
there?
have liquor on them.
And beer thing. Everything there. Everything. What you know? Everything.
Yeah.
Alright. Which is right. You're outside. Yeah. So the fire is blazing, you know. Blazing, see there? Ready. Piece of KFC box tonight there. So guess what now, people? I leave the spoon. We don't have no spoon for cook or share the food. So I leave the spoon. And I don't carry no soap. I leave the soap, so we don't have none for wash your hand. Judge God, so I go get here now. But look on the view and see where they at and see how far I'm coming from, and I'm heading up that side right now. But look at the view. Reach up at the top of the road there, so that's what I'm heading to. And shop supposed to open up here, so let me go. Let's see. So good news and bad news. I get the soap, but for the spoon, this is the spoon I get. So I don't know that I go work out. You see it? I'm never get to see the big man I know to assist me and give me a spoon for you. So right you know, you have to go figure out a thing you know. Like what the youth say, you have to go figure out how ancestors would do and do the same thing. Them there? All the way right there. And I'm heading down. Look at the beautiful water. You can hear the sound of the water rushing right through the hills. Wow, so calm and refreshing. And may I tell the people the water here feel nice. It's not cool or anything like that. This we have to go use. This.
Okay, spoon again.
Eh?
Okay, spoon it.
Yes. Out and about. That is it. And give me a nice pose. You do something like this to man or something or whatever.
I'm a birthday,
Yeah.
I want my
That is
play.
it. That is it.
Stop
That
by the
is it.
river on a Sunday.
Alright.
Then me drive go the beach down a Mopey. In a Portland,
That's
I
cool.
want reach
Yeah, I'm
there.
good.
But no worry cause everything safe there. Next door St. Thomas next day.
Yeah,
We have a
yeah,
chill spot.
yeah.
Morant Bay.
Alright, that is it. So, are you second time here, my friend?
Yeah, my second time, you know.
Yeah. So, how was the first time comparing to now?
First time did more of a buzz, but right now we alone here.
Yeah, that is it. Out and about. Yeah. Steam in a pot. Rice a cook down. See there? Fire underneath it hot. Yeah, which is right. That's a deep, you know. That's a deep. Now go there, so. Yeah. Which is right. Tell her that boss. You say? You're outside.
Outside.
Cooler man.
Yeah.
River vibes.
Outside. It's a river vibes.
How are you outside?
How are you outside?
Look on the view. When the water nice. I give them a tour, you know. I give them a tour.
Over there, so.
Hey! Hey! Yeah, I'm about to charge you. You're outside. Where you say? Where we represent for?
I represent for Commerce TV, the bad TV, you see?
All
Like
right.
and subscribe with a clean heart, you see me?
Alright.
Tell her that.
It's a river time. Second time, right? It's so deep, you know.
Yeah, me I put him in there.
Down there, down so what there, yeah. Cold like ice. Just the breeze alone feel like AC.
Oh God, man.
Yeah,
And what do you come up that side here?
cool. Yeah, but me frightened on the water feel so now. Yeah, you don't feel bad. Yeah. People, so if you use bend up so much, yeah, story. See if you can story it there. Yeah, it's a look of it, yes. So that we have to do improvise. We have to use the knife. So we're adding some more butter to make it nuffer. I say it go? Alright. Hold on, man. River chef. If you are Jamaican, you know them style, yeah. Put the plastic bag over the rice. Make it steam better. See that? Tell you that. River settings, you're out here.
Fabulous outside. Yeah, guys, out a door at Burrell River. You know, me and the thugs them out. You know,
Outside.
that is it.
Out in a Burrell River, you know.
Fabulous ladies and the kids them in the water. Cute and fabulous. We're having a great time. Yeah, that is it.
Remember, see, you have to go down half a hill, you know. Now you can't go down there.
Oh, you look the girl. Eh? You can go back up, sir. Yes, it's a joy to be outside. Fabulous. You know it yet. Oh, you're zooming. The activities that we are going now.
Woo! Watch out! Water war! Ooh, say this one more water, my friend. Man, make it turn river rice, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, say.
Water cool.
Water cool. Water is cold. If I watch it, they are them things, they would on a ball. Just the air alone feel like AC. None of them go in the water.
Them say the water for Blue Mountain cold too.
Yeah.
Hope there's some more go brother.
Yeah, we can go up there
Them
next
all have-
time.
I think them all have what you call them something there? Them boat something there with them staying now.
Raft,
No man with them staying now.
boat.
Boat, some boat. You know about that ABM, that little thing up a Blue Mountain. And them have the place. Yeah, and them have the place where you can stay up there.
Me, you see, man, I yesterday.
Away my roll up.
Yeah, me, but
Oh, get the rum. Boy, watch. Mine. I them look on our eye them.
Just that sip. Drunk me.
White,
Lord of mercy. Make sure you can walk go up the hill, you know.
Want to motion like that about jump.
I him easy for junk, him attack. Stagger.
It's easy for done sort.
Yes,
It's easy for done sort. It's easy.
Behave yourself.
It's easy for done sort.
Cha-cha. Tell the people them say when we go Portland, say you're drunk and knock out.
Yes, sir, but
I
that's
see
the
you
tired
go the
one,
world.
some
Tired way. Tell the people them I say you're drunk.
No, man, we're not drunk around here.
We're not drunk now, skunk.
Yeah, we're
We
not
say
drunk.
you put the dust light.
It's just like.
Alright. Alright. Which is right, which is right. I see for the whole life journey. Wake up.
Okay, you know, so we're a stagger and a wagger.
Yeah.
You know?
We say have your fun already? Lord of very cold. Lord of mercy. See the people. And this we have to resort to, you know. Spoon. You mean about spoon? Knife. We want a spoon, yes. But a knife we have to use. Jaja God. Yeah. Them, and this what ancestors would have do if they never have no knife, never have no spoon. They would have improvise a piece of stick me for look for right now. Two artists there say, you know. Everything you say, they make a song.
I love music, I love man.
Oh, I love music. Which is right. Music a good thing, man. So you say, how long before the food done? How long before the rice
Next
done?
10 minutes.
Next 10 minutes, brother. Brother, after 5, you know, as soon night, you know.
But they say that half whatever.
Eh?
They say that half.
Yeah, it's half cooked.
Yeah, good. Come on, man, I'll lift up the pot and put some coal on it, yeah?
We need more coal now.
Yeah, but for the rice, remember say the rice, when you can't cook on a high fire, the rice will burn.
I'm going to take you up on a tour, my people. They're on the river. Riverbed, Burrell River right now. And it's about 5:16 right now and the meat not go on yet. Good thing say I'm pressure it. Good thing say I'm pressure the water. In about the water. Good thing say I'm pressure the mountain a little bit. You see boys I can see. Place I get dark. So we have to hurry up and do what we have to do. Up on the water, people. Wow. That's a kind of look rough, yeah, rough. That's a heavy. No, it's a good vibe. So everybody over that side there. I go and use to them there. And the water rush down and that is where they were. So remember, if you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yeah. Yes, the rice ready and now people. We're going to take it off of the pot. I take it off of the coal.
Take it out for the pot.
Yeah, I take it off of the
We
pot.
won't even see it, alright, look.
Take a look, take a look. She's right. Alright.
See your fire.
Yeah. We have put it on the rock here now. For the time being.
So that's there.
Oxtail? Are you have it, man? Motion of the
Yeah.
oxtail.
Wait, oxtail. You tell us we have oxtail,
I go
lasagna, shrimp, shrimp pasta,
Yeah.
chicken pasta, oxtail
Italian
pasta,
food,
Italian food, Chinese food, Japanese food. So wait there. What the
I'm
food
going
ever
for
true?
it, you know?
Huh?
I'm going for it.
Okay. We're waiting. We're
Cut,
waiting.
cut.
Cut.
See him out there? Yeah. So that is it. See there?
Fabulous.
Get it on the
Fire active, you know?
I take some drinking water there.
Come on. Can go on the road back to.
No, we not go on look. Yeah, we putting at this.
Say $10. It's up.
Yeah, where far there? Ratty banana far.
Come this far. Plastic far. So we are eating it, man.
Alright, so it
boil listen to cover.
so we have to use a plastic fork. Yeah. Yes, sir. Wait one, salt. Yes, sir, flavor.
Alright, you know?
It's alright. But when I add the water upon it, I go on look at salt.
Yeah.
Taste piece.
Yeah, taste.
That's taste, so it taste. So you cook?
Too very much.
Alright. Never want to cook it too much because you don't know. Still have to cook look a bit. Yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
So a time now if you are in the season, we'll cut up some seeds here now. We have scallion and thyme. And we have powder season. You get there? scallion sort out, you know. So what I say? Yeah. This is the Jamaican way. Yeah, so you get the onion sort out and thing. So this is the extra season we are putting in it. Natural and authentic way, you know. We don't go too hard. We say we have put the carrot in it or we are left it.
You can put it in it, man. Julian in it. Julian it.
Alright. So carrot are going in it too. Wash it off when we're done here now, you see it?
So.
Alright, that's a code, my friend. That's a code, that's a code, that's a code. You can pass it. That's a code. You don't know the code. That's a code. Alright, so I get the season. You don't feel like this needs the story. Stick a bun up. Nah, stick.
Yeah, nah.
That wants some water upon it,
Yeah,
you
put
know.
some water.
Oh, they will add some water to this thing. You skill in there, so Jamaican skill.
That is it, man.
Normal. See there? Everything wash out. Now we that.
Yes.
Yeah, behave yourself.
Behave yourself.
Find God and save yourself.
Yeah.
Come in, because him say my Julian, watching him say my Julian, the character.
No,
you know.
not really.
When I want him come with him fancy dancing, you know, say a riverside this.
Do it good here, we don't want them too chunky.
Yeah.
We don't care, we don't hard for boil out. You
I
understand me?
Yes.
You understand what
Yes,
me say, friend?
yes.
Ah, we don't want them too chunky and hunky and monkey.
No.
move too slow. I'm helping him.
I need help.
Yeah.
You need help.
Hold it and move.
Someone cut, you know?
Come.
Oh, you know? Yeah.
Firm
Show
hold,
your
Come on, Miguel. Come on, I center.
firm
Come
hold,
on, I
firm hold.
center.
Yes.
Come
Firm
on at the
hold,
center, sir. Yeah. Can you put pressure
Firm
on
hold,
one
firm
side?
hold,
Yeah.
firm
Yeah,
hold.
hold it. Yeah.
Firm hold, firm hold.
Hurry up, man. I saw you cut your grandfather.
Very sharp, man. I'm not on the board. Knife and sharp.
Everybody a help out. Everybody a give a helping hand.
Yeah, which is right.
Yes.
Which is right.
Shine the thing up on the pot there.
I mean,
Her
her
feet
and Julian.
bubbling.
Oh my word! Looking fabulous. Oh my word! Curry goat alive, bubbling.
Get you on the inanna eat that.
Which is right. Behave yourself.
Matter what them say. Matter what them try, them afraid of me.
Aye.
The king.
Where is that now?
Any other king
A
or Burger King. Run for the
Aye.
late and
Get
look
early.
Yeah.
You want a DJ?
Yeah. You eat that, can
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
No,
Top
no more.
chef. Yeah.
That is it.
Wow, colorful, beautiful.
Color the thing there.
Yes.
Grand bag of people in there. This too sweet.
Lord of mercy. More
Lord
water?
of mercy.
Yeah, man.
Lord
No,
of
no, no, water.
mercy. That good?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Alright. The
Colourful.
chef say it good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Buy for it. That look
Beautiful.
up,
Right?
Behave
Yeah.
yourself, you're outside.
Yes,
Enjoy.
that is it,
You
man.
know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice,
Top
man.
chef.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right,
man.
yeah.
On the
Again,
food,
that's not- I'm
guys.
up on the plane.
Beautiful, colorful.
Colorful and nice.
Wow. Beautiful.
Beautiful, let's
Food
say.
is beautiful.
Oh Lord, look at that.
Colorful.
Oh Lord.
Oh my
Oh my
Big
word.
up the chef, man.
Cooler man. Which is right.
That's
Yeah,
that
guys,
chef.
nice.
You
Look what's
know,
cooler,
that
man.
is it, man. I in the behind I camera. Check him out. Check him
Behave
out.
yourself,
Yeah.
behave yourself. Cooler man. Lord of mercy.
Beautiful.
Lord of mercy. Hey. I have some scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah, man, we need some pepper in
Yeah.
it.
Regular
Because I know
Regular
we don't
camera.
pepper in them.
Regular
Yes.
camera.
No, too, cause
Regular-
kids them is here, you know.
Regular camera.
Oh yeah. We have to remember say the kids them here. Can't too pepper it.
Regular camera.
Yeah,
Regular.
true.
Beautiful. Beautiful chefy. For that pretty man.
No other chef can test, man. You crazy? Full.
Beautiful.
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 Beautiful chefy.
Yeah, beautiful chef here. Let's see, I eat that, then I put the rest of the scallion. Right, good. Yeah, why we are waste it, you know, to use it up.
Yeah, river chef.
River chef. Want to go up on beach, where you go say?
Beach chef.
Beach chef. So when you're up on the river, you're a river chef. When you're up on the beach,
Beach
beach chef. Alright.
Tell them what look.
Fabulous. Fabuloso. Oh Lord. Lord of mercy. You want powder season?
Yeah, look at it.
Alright. Chicken season and chicken in season, you know. As that type of certain type of season they put in it.
We don't do
Eh? And some jerk season. You see it, it's on the mutton have a reason right now. Cool no, man. Yeah, story mutton boss. Where you say Julie and the carrot? Rich.
Le.
Jaja God. All type of name.
Koala.
Koala infestation sort of sitting. Where's the water? You know, see river there, that's a brother. You want water and river there right there, so. Eh?
So, this is the yellow whale.
The yellow whale? Where you call it?
Whale.
The yellow whale. A yellow whale we are eat. Jaja God, people see it here?
Yellow whale pony up. One yellow whale pony up.
Jaja God.
You know, but you them meat,
Exotic meat we are eat.
You know how much of
Exotic.
them meat, yeah?
How much? Put a price on it.
50 grand for 1 pound.
But
I don't know whale hard for catch.
So you who go out there go catch it? Eh?
I don't pay.
And
them
you?
go there, they said charge how much 50 grand.
Lord of
I
mercy.
said them charge how much 50 grand fee.
Motion I say I go and reach out 50 grand a pound.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. What you say? Tell me how it go on. 10 minutes a night that.
No man, it's already 10 already.
Oh, it's already 10 now.
Yeah, it cook, it pressure.
Oh, it's pressure already.
Yeah, if you never pressure it at night, you don't, you know. So you don't know, we have to make sure so that go on. Yes, sir.
Hey.
No, nothing else. Alright. That's why I cook down now. How good. They say you want napkin and wipes. Which one?
Napkins. I'm gonna do the wipes.
Okay. You know, worm not like share.
Food.
The way I say. Alright, so the food ready, you know, people. Yes, I. Watch her. Still a bubble same way like a hot girl. Ready, food ready, you know.
Yeah, we're ready long
Ready.
time.
Ready, say ready. Food ready, food ready,
yeah,
food
yeah,
ready.
Food.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so you say, what it go on? Good. You say Kate, you like it? You say top boss? Wow. Yeah, loving. Lovely. Yeah, you love it too? Alright, that is nice. Eh? Double. I say name. Oh, vegetable. Oh, Lord of mercy. Alright, everybody good then. Tell her that boss, what you say? How it go on? Up. Alright, that's a code. I hear there. I know I'm gonna share up mine, you know. Yes, man. You there now. Curry goat on the river. Night time now. Oh, still nice. The greatest thing the food done. You see, so right now, we are all up and eat. And head out. But the food nice. The food slap right now. Shell me and shell it down. That's a code. Behave yourself. And if you made it this far in the video, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part of the video. I like the food, I like the river, I like the girls, I like the environment. Behave yourself.
You enjoying the food?
Yes, I two food me have. I two food me have.
Murder.
A food
You
bag.
never eat so much good.